Only coin is used for toss, and in the club and the local tournament, both coin and shuttle are used. So there will be toss by throwing the shuttle. That team wins towards which the cock will point. So let's toss. We have to throw it again. It is in the middle position. As you can see, it is slightly pointing towards them. So they win the toss. The team that wins the toss has two options. Their two options: service or decide the court. As they decided to choose service after winning the toss, so they have the option to decide the court whether to play from their side. As they win the toss, then the remaining opposition goes to the opponent. Sport their selecting and the court after winning the toss, then they will get the serve. But they choose to do the serve after winning the toss. Their umpire asks one more thing, like among you who have to do the service. After discussion, Captain America decided to do the serve. That is when the Captain America who is doing the serve, and you have, if the shuttle is falling there, then only he is going to receive. He cannot hit it at the time at the service because he is receiving it. After that, anyone can hit it. Now the rallies are going on. If the shuttle is falling in the box after touching the net, it's right. So they do continue. If the shuttle is directly falling in this box after touching the net, it is wrong. It is considered out. If the shuttle is bouncing inside after dropping outside, it is also out. After seeing the serve, he hits back. Then anyone can play in this area. If they hit out the box, then it is considered out. And it in doubles, you need to play the game inside this box. So guys, let me tell you about the odd and even. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on, you have to serve from the right hand side. But if you have 1, 3, 5 and 7 and 9 so on, you will do the serve from left hand side. So let's start a demo match. Here Captain America is doing the serve. Both the teams have the score 0. The match will start always from the love all. Now the match has been started. The America started the serve. As 0 is an even, so it is doing from right hand side. They get 1 point after the starting of the rally. So we have score 0-1. As 1 is an odd number, so Captain America will do his serve from the left hand side. If these players continue to score points, then Captain America will continue to the serve. If this team score 1 point, which will be decided later, and after that, if they got 1 point, Batman will be the service. Now the score is 0-1. Again they do not